What's going on, 2A community? This is Venture Arms Tactical, and I had just got something in the mail, and I want to share with you guys. As you already know, I have a G2C, a Taurus G2C, and I want to share the upgrades that I have on this G2C. I had picked it up for real cheap, for $125, shot about 200 rounds out of it, and it didn't give me no problems. I don't know why people are hating on the Taurus. To make sure everyone's clear that it is clear, safety first. Now, this is a 12 round mag, holds 12. It did come with this 12 round mag. I got a GM Con green light. And of course, as you can see, I got these sights on it. It's a little off, but it looks good. It also comes with strobe and a regular light for nighttime action. And I did get a clip. A clip draw, they call it a clip draw. I don't know why I got ones with hearts, but I think it's pretty cool, so I didn't even bother to send it back. Didn't bother to send it back. Just kept it. Looked pretty cool. 4 hearts on it. Taurus G2C. Like I said, 12 rounds. Holds an extra one in the head. It'll let you know when it's loaded. This is what I already had for it. They said Pro Mags are trash. I never tried this out yet. Found this in the garage. So this is a 32 round. 32 round. They said they're trash. I never tried it. I guess I'm gonna try it. And while I set this down right here, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. This is what I got in the mail. It came from Lakeline. Yep. Is that what I think it is? Yes, it is. As soon as I got this, immediately was looking for parts, and I found Lakeline, and I ordered this as soon as I could. 17 round. It's a 9mm. So you can. Okay, there go the brand. It's made in Italy. It's a steel mag. Yep. Comes with a sleeve. This is the one that I'm going to be carrying with. This is the one that's going to be for practice. Why carry this if you could carry 5 more rounds? You know what they say, fellas? They say size don't matter. In this situation, size definitely does matter. 12 or 17, which one are you carrying? Let's put this in, see what that look like. Okay. Okay, turns a compact gun into a full size. Okay, look at that baby. So I'm gonna have 17 opposed to 12. Again, the 12 round, yes, for deep concealment, but you can't go wrong with that. Those extra 5 rounds, man. This fits good. You know, if it wasn't for that groove right here, I feel like my pinky would slide off. Just cutting it close. But I think this is a better feel. Gives it a full size. Again, it is clear. I know I probably slipped my hand on the trigger a few times. It is clear. And it comes with a sleeve. I want to see if this works right here. We about to figure something out together. Oh, is that what that do? How does that look? Okay, alright. Alright, gives us a little full size. Right, my hand is not hanging off of it no more. Okay. Right. It came with the sleeve. I'm about to load this up. Matter of fact, we can sit here and load it up together if you want. Since this is going to be my new designated practice round mag, I'm going to pop these in. I got these right here. These are for practice. Chambering and ejecting the bullet. You know, training is always critical when it comes to firearm and having firearm safety. What you do, put that in there. And how these work is the same way a regular bullet would work. I'm gonna try the 17 round too. You just draw back, it goes right in. And it says loaded, went up. Why do people hate on these Taurus G2Cs, man? Why? It gets the job done. It does. Absolutely does. And here's a nice little safety. You know. Here's a practice round. Let's go ahead and eject it. And another one. Not perfect. Knocked over the camera. Let me go ahead and check that one. And slide stop. She's empty. And let's go ahead and take this mag out. Put that back here so y'all can see the difference in size, because size do matter. They say that, but sometimes it does. Let's go ahead and pop one of these in here. See? Okay, you hear that clicking, right? Okay, she's in there. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Ooh, that was a little bit like butter right there. That felt better than the original. And it felt better than this one. Like butter. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, man. Let's try it again. Where'd the other one go? You have to see. Cycles of the rounds. Back away from the camera so I don't knock the camera over again. Here we go. Here we go. Cycle in one round. Eject. Cycle in 2 rounds. Eject. Slide stop. Yeah, man. I think this mag is more like butter, man. I can't wait to test it out. Again, I ran rounds through this thing right here, so man, I can't wait to run some rounds through this one. 17. Wow. It's like butter, Lakeline. Appreciate it. Lakeline. They have all the gum parts. And I wanted to see this thing right here. Does it look good with it? Tell me in the comments, guys. Does it look good with it? Without it? Or with? With it? Or without it? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments. How good does it look? Of course, you gotta get both angles without knocking the camera over. Yeah. I think, I'm not even gonna tell you what I think. I'll tell you in the comments. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell y'all in the comments. Yeah. This is the G2C. Got 17 round, 12 round, and a 32. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Venture Arms Tactical. And I'm out.